In this quick demo, I will show you how near real-time data synchronization can benefit your organization. We're going to use a scenario here. In this case, we're looking for someone in a marketing role who works with Dynamics CRM. They've had an update from someone who is also a key donor to the organization. Now that's important to your fundraisers. They use Blackbaud NXT here. However, you don't need to worry about that. You are using Dynamics and are simply updating the address. So let's say it's Jim's record. It's a sample record in our database. We will say that his address is now 60 Grove Park, Sunrise, and we'll also change the zip code. Finally, we will change the phone number slightly. We'll change it to end in 456. Okay. We'll now save that, and you can see it has been updated. If we pop over to NXT, you'll see it's showing old information there. That's to be expected, as a sync will take a few minutes to see these changes and push them over. So let's wait a couple of minutes. One thing to note in the meantime is the Dynamics alias. This will populate as part of your onboarding, and any record with the Dynamics ID will tie back to a record in Dynamics. We will skip a few minutes in the video to see the updated record. It actually took 3 minutes in this case, but it can take a few more minutes sometimes. You can see the new address, 60 Grove Park, Sunrise, with the new zip code, and you can see our phone number is also updated to end 456. So that's quite powerful. Your users, wherever they are, whatever system they use, always have the latest data to hand. More than that, your business rules have been applied throughout. Only the records you chose are synchronized, and it's all happening automatically in the background, 24/7. You can synchronize name and contact information in both directions. You have seen some of this in this demo. However, we can and often do synchronize more. As an example, we're going to add a gift record to Jim's record in Blackbaud NXT and want that to be pushed through to Dynamics. However, we'll push through some summary information rather than the full gift record. We have created a section within the Dynamics contact record to house this Blackbaud data. You can see the 3 fields: lifetime giving, last gift value, and last gift date. So to demonstrate the use of these fields and the two-way sync capabilities, let's add the gift record and update Jim's address in Razor's Edge. We set his address to 5 Pike Lane, Washington with a new zip code. Okay, that's the address updated. And we'll also add a gift. Let's make it £10 to one of our test funds. There we go. So we've added the gift and we've updated the address. We skipped a little time in the video here to allow the changes to be pushed through. It was 15 minutes in this case. Now in Dynamics, you can see that we've got the updated address and this Blackbaud sourced financial summary. Because this data is actually within Dynamics, you can use it to create email selections, trigger workflows, or report straight from within Dynamics. So you've seen how the system can synchronize data in 2 directions, synchronizing commonly used and custom data. This gives us the tools to build your ideal synchronization solution as part of our onboarding process. Thanks for your time today. This has been a quick demo of the capabilities of our SmartDYNAMICS product. It showed how real-time integrations can revolutionize your work and help your teams achieve their goals efficiently.